For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
BJP leaders launched an all-out attack on Congress on the 45th anniversary of emergency. Many BJP leaders hit out at the Congress party over dynastic politics and over the imposition of emergency in 1975. Union Home Minister Amit Shah even went on to say that Congress must ask itself as to why the emergency mindset still remains. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also tweeted remembering those who suffered torture in order to save democracy. Union Minister Ravi Shankar Prasad launched a blistering attack on the Congress party, saying today is the day to recall the draconian days. The Union Minister also went on to accuse Indira Gandhi of imposing emergency to save her Prime Minister's chair.
Today is the 25th of June. Today is the day to recall the draconian days of 25th June 1975, when the then Congress government, led by Prime Minister Srimati Indira Gandhi, imposed emergency for the only purpose to save the PM chair of Srimati Indira Gandhi.
Ravi Shankar Prasad stated that lakhs of political leaders were arrested and tortured.
Her Lok Sabha election from Raebareli had been set aside by the Allahabad High Court on large number of malpractices. Lakhs of political workers across the country were arrested, were tortured. Even media was not spared. It is very important to recall those tragic times of emergency days.
Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP termed the imposition of emergency as the most dastardly in independent India.
On this day, 45 years back, the most dastardly event of the independent India and the constitutional history of India, emergency was imposed. Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji has today indicated in the tweet and reminded that this emergency was imposed nothing but to express the absolute loyalty and contain the absolute power for one family.
He also recalled the slogans raised during the emergency in 1975.
The most draconian expression of the loyalty towards the family was the slogan raised during the emergency, India is Indira and Indira is India.
Many BJP leaders also called the emergency imposed by Indira as the darkest period in India's history. The former Prime Minister of India, Indira Gandhi, had imposed the emergency on the 25th of June 1975, citing internal disturbance. The emergency was revoked only after 2 years in 1977.